For decades, space was the final frontier explored only by governments and elite astronauts. But today, a new era has dawned. From the early days of human spaceflight to the iconic International Space Station, space has long been a place of scientific discovery. But now, private companies are taking the reins, building habitats, research labs, and even hotels in orbit. The International Space Station, home to astronauts for over 2 decades, is set to retire by 2030. Its decommissioning marks the end of an era, but also the beginning of a new space race. This time, it's private enterprises, not governments, leading the charge. Instead of relying solely on government-funded projects, private corporations are working on their own orbital facilities. These will serve as research hubs, tourism destinations, and manufacturing centers, pushing humanity further into space than ever before. Several companies have already made significant strides. Axiom Space is developing the first privately funded space station, designed to support research and human habitation. Blue Origin, backed by Jeff Bezos, envisions orbital reef, a commercial outpost supporting businesses, governments, and tourists. Meanwhile, SpaceX, known for its rapid advancements in rocket technology, is focusing on making deep space travel more accessible with its Starship program. Building and maintaining space habitats is incredibly expensive, but the potential economic benefits are enormous. Companies are banking on breakthroughs in microgravity manufacturing, space tourism, and asteroid mining to make these ventures financially viable. Microgravity allows for the production of materials and medicines that are impossible to manufacture on Earth. This includes high-purity fiber optics, protein crystals for pharmaceuticals, and advanced semiconductors industries that could generate billions of dollars. Another growing industry, space tourism. With the success of private spaceflights in recent years, it's only a matter of time before space hotels become a reality. Wealthy individuals have already paid millions for brief stays aboard the ISS, and companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are working on expanding those opportunities. These developments could pave the way for permanent space habitats, where people can live and work for extended periods. Imagine a future where space isn't just for astronauts, it's for entrepreneurs, researchers, and even everyday travelers. Despite its promise, commercial spaceflight faces significant challenges. Space debris poses a growing threat to satellites and spacecraft, and long-term space habitation requires new solutions to counteract radiation exposure, microgravity's effects on human health, and the immense costs involved. Additionally, international regulations must evolve to keep pace with these rapid advancements. How will nations collaborate to ensure responsible development in space? What legal frameworks will govern activities beyond Earth? These are questions that must be answered as humanity expands into the cosmos. Humanity stands on the brink of a new space age. What was once science fiction is now becoming reality. With commercial space stations, the dream of living and working in space is closer than ever before. The question is no longer if we will inhabit space, but when.